the first week in July. I'm here in Twin Palms Vineyard, and let me just give you a quick update, show you how the vintage 2021 is coming along. We, like most wineries across Napa Valley, have finished the leafing process whereby we've cut back laterals, pulled leaves to really open up the fruit zone area, bringing in more airflow and better light. You know, in our case, we have a VSP or vertical shoot positioned system. So as the canes grow, they grow up, and we're tucking them inside these wires. And then we have, let me just show you this. We have these cross arms at the top so the canopy can continue to open and start draping over for some additional shading, which is really helpful to protect against sunburn. As for the berries themselves, fruit set obviously is complete. We are, I'd say, pretty much through that process of bunch closure too, where the berries are expanding, and as you can see, they're starting to really fill out and touch each other. What comes next? Veraison. That's where sugars start accumulating, acids start coming down, the berries are softening, and you'll start to see color change. And through the process of veraison, Cabernet berries go from green to that blue-purple color. So when's that going to happen? You know, you don't know for certain. Guessing in the next couple of weeks, we should start seeing some color change. So there you have it, July 5th, Twin Palms Vineyard. Thanks for checking in.